Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active AdMob account, your app registered, and the Google Mobile Ads SDK installed. Once done, add the ad unit and copy its ID. This is the anchor for mediation. Make sure to download mediation adapters for each network you plan to use, because the adapter bridges the SDK to networks. Now open your project, add the SDK and adapter dependencies, and initialize the Mobile Ads SDK at app launch, so mediation can. You now configure mediation in the AdMob console. Create a mediation group for the correct ad format, choose geographic targeting, and set an eCPM floor if desired. This helps control quality and revenue. Next, add networks to the group, entering each network's credentials and placement ID. This connects server-side settings to your app. Once networks are added, choose either waterfall or bidding, and make sure to add test device ID so you can verify ad serving without policy issues. You finish by testing and monitoring. Load the app on a real device, enable test ads, and watch Logcat or console logs for ad requests, responses, and adapter callbacks. This confirms integration is correct. Once live, monitor mediation reporting for fill rate, eCPM, and latency, and adjust ordering or eCPM floors accordingly. If things go wrong, first verify adapter versions and credentials, then confirm SDK initialization order. Fixing those usually resolves most mediation failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.